sa Dugas test, so let's assume ang iti-test natin na side is the right side. Okay? And then, ilalagay lang natin yung right hand ni patient across the opposite shoulder. Okay, yan. Nakaganyan siya. And then, stabilize lang natin yung hand ni patient sa opposite shoulder. Then, anong gagawin natin dito? Ibababa lang natin yung elbow niya towards the chest. Okay? Positive side, hindi mo ibababa yung shoulder ni patient. Okay? So, because of pain. Okay? Malinaw guys. So, medyo parang nire-resist ni patient yung yung movement kasi alam niya masakit. Okay? So, pero guys, take note lang din, if ang pain ni patient is localized dito sa may acromion process niya, baka AC joint pathology yun at hindi shoulder dislocation. Okay? Pero kung wala naman siyang kinocomplain na pain dito directly sa may AC joint, so hindi siya AC joint pathology, shoulder dislocation.